and her 1-2 plays. But not today. MJ goes opposite and scores on the right pin.
Yeah, quick side out for the side of the Petrogas Angel. Game na to, but take a look at that reverse set. But that was actually an opposite hit by
19-15. Sharp serve. Out of system. Temperatura guarding the angle. Brooke. Cayuna. Temperatura again with the dive. Phillips is denied, but it will go out, and it's now a 6-point lead.
It's very basic volleyball lang. Open, opposite, or quick attack. Doon na sila nakakakuha.
6-all. Candler again from behind. MJ scoring. Points for MJ.
A good connection na sila ni Janelle Cheng dito. Coming into the third set. Yan, nalalapit na tayo sa end ng second set, but humahabol ang Petrogas sa lamang ng signal.
Cunha this time was denied entry. Third block by Brooke. Right there, one-on-one. Block of the set front.
Guarding the long ball.
MJ, welcome back. MJ. 2 points.
Ang taas ng set na yon for her beat quick, but yan yung mga gusto niyang sets para mas
Candler now. Good first ball again. MJ. MJ talaga, merong beatin talaga.
Take a look at that again.
Look at that. Just at the top of her jump. Ang hirap din. Pablo receiving. And MJ swinging.
Sa kanya, nasabi niya, drop balls are no longer working for them, so they have to spike the ball.
Now and the Vanny Candler cross or attacks. Good up. Long ball. Back to MJ. Look at her. Hang and hit.
Ang Cheng na taasan yung set sa kanya on the quick dahil yun yung kanyang set and comfort zone talaga.
Signal was having a little bit of a mini run.
But they have a better game so far comparing to their start kanina. But yung blockings itong Petrogas Angels.
In some games. Down 6 again. Vanny. Cheng will go to Aiza. Doug. Dawn chases. Easy over. MJ gets it.
Yeah.
Even if she wanted it a bit higher.
A bit, like what I mentioned previously, na mas gusto niya mas mataas na set dahil mas mataas yung contact niya sa bola, but a good adjustment.